Firefighting technology is becoming an increasingly important defense against the devastating effects of bushfires on the climate, biodiversity, communities and economies. The emergence and successful integration of new aviation and communications technologies is poised to change that. FireTech Connect is founded on the belief that adopting breakthrough technologies can rapidly build bushfire resilience in regional communities and avert future catastrophes. In a world first, manned and unmanned aircraft work together in a trial, using innovative and emerging technologies to fight fires. Ripper Corporation worked in collaboration with Noosa Shire Council to deploy drones as an emerging, but invaluable tool to manage bushfires. Current safety regulations require drones to be grounded if manned aircraft are operating in an emergency airspace, preventing them from performing high-value functions like fire mapping, damage assessments and evacuation checks. Fire Air Traffic Management 1.1 and 1.2 has seen Ripper Corp's partnership with Noosa Council, through FireTech Connect, develop and trial new operating procedures, pilot training and technologies to ensure the positive identification of drones by manned aircraft in various visibility conditions. A common operating picture allows the crewed and uncrewed aircraft to work closely together for situational awareness. Ripper Corp flew drones within 150 meters of the firebombing helicopters, carrying some 2,000 liters of water during operations. These trials have delivered an effective, alternative means of compliance for deploying drones alongside manned aircraft in the same airspace, at the same time during bushfire events, with no reduction in the safety of flight operations. Ripper Corp have deployed multi-rotor and VTOL aircraft to create the baseline and enable the National Aerial Firefighting Center to revise its recommended operating guidelines to allow for the flying of drones during bushfire emergencies under this alternative means of compliance. That in turn would allow for Queensland Fire and Emergency Services and other state emergency agencies to upgrade their guidance for incident commanders, ultimately resulting in the widespread use of drones to help save lives and protect what is precious to all.